Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of Android and learning how to set up the search bar on your device. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Firstly, grab your smartphone and unlock it. Now tap and hold on your home screen. A pop-up menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. Swipe to the right until you find the Widgets option. Open up the Widgets section and start scrolling down. Keep an eye out for the Google category. Once you've located it, you'll find the Google search widget. This is the magic search bar we're looking for. Hold down on the Google search widget, and you'll be able to place it anywhere on your home screen. Choose the spot that suits you best and release it. Voila! You've successfully added the search bar to your Android home screen. And that's it. You now have quick and convenient access to Google search right from your home screen. No more navigating through apps. It's right at your fingertips. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up. We appreciate your feedback, so please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're always eager to hear from our community. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy searching on your Android device.